Hi, today we're going to take the unboxing review look at the E-CiRCUiT microfiber screen cleaner gray bear. So apparently this little fella is a bear? Because I mean the other one is a dog. Would you think that they have cats and dogs? Yeah, they don't. They have dog and bear. Yeah, okay, I don't know why. Cats and dogs would make a lot more sense. And for a bear, they should have like a panda bear. Or the bear should have been like this brown, this peanut butter color for the bear. Kind of like a brown bear. You know, something kind of like that. Or a panda bear would have been awesome. But a gray bear, yeah, it's just weird. Anyway, got it at the dollar store. This is where you can buy them at the dollar store. It's made by the E-CiRCUiT brand. I love their electronic stuff. All this stuff is pretty awesome from the E-CiRCUiT brand. So yeah, let's open it up and see how good it is. They even have like a little filmy section right there. Not really, they do. See that little cutout? Where you can feel how soft it is. But yep, let's open it up. So, a lot of little fuzzy things on here. As you can see, the little black spots on there. Seems like they didn't clean it from the factory. Which all you need to do is just take your finger, like, see that one right there, and just, you know, pull it off like that. That's all you really need to do is just do that. So it's not that bad. Not from the bat. Which would have been nice if they would have had a little tail sewn on there. Maybe not like, you know, one of these little puffy tails, but maybe something kind of like an embroidered tail. So it does open up. You really can't get your whole hand in there, which is kind of stupid, I guess, but oh well. Here's my phone. I don't know how good you can see it, but there is some smudges on there, like right around that area. Let's rub his face on the screen. Oh yeah, he wants to scratch that itch on his back on the screen. That's like kiss the screen, love the screen. Scratch that itch, scratch that itch. And wow, woo, wow. That got rid of all the smudges on my screen. Wow, I am actually amazed. That was like awesome. Because if you've seen the other review, I did on the E-CiRCUiT, what was this called? The 4-in-1 stylus pen. This little microfiber tip that they have on there, it didn't really clean anything. It just moved the smudges around. That's basically what it did. It's just like a smudge move. So if you didn't want the smudge there, you can move the smudge up there. Didn't want it there, you can move it there. You can move it there. This thing is like, smudges, be gone. It just definitely got rid of all the smudges. So, if you're looking for a cheap, effective, and cute, almost kawaii type of little microfiber screen cleaner, then this is the little fella for you. And by the way, if you don't know what kawaii means, kawaii is a Japanese word that means cute. So if you're looking for a kawaii or cute little screen cleaner, then yeah, this little fella, he's going to do the job for $1. You can't go wrong. Now, can you put your phone there? No. Maybe you could if you didn't have this, well, protective case on there. But without the phone case, it might fit, but it's probably not. I know, like on some websites, like on JList, you could get like little kimonos and stuff that you could put your phone there. Well, in Japan, they believe like if you put your phone in like a little kimono or a little sleeping bag, that's where your phone goes to sleep at night. Just like how you go in your bed to sleep at night. You're not going to be doing anything. You're going to be sleeping, you know. Yeah, Japanese. Which, you know, it kind of makes sense because a lot of people don't know when to set the phone down. Don't touch the phone. Walk away. Let your phone go do what it's got to do. Like charge. If it's overheating, let it cool off. Set the phone down. If you're driving, set the phone down. So I guess Japanese, if you put your phone into a little kimono or a little bad, then, you know, the only bad problem with those things, they don't have a little hole cut in the bottom to charge your phone. So that's the only bad thing about those things. So Japan, if you listen,